Point is, MetaTrader is starting to fade away, which has its upsides and downsides, which I will discuss in this video. But today I'm going to show you how I made the switch to MatTrader from MT5 MetaTrader 5. So one thing before we start is that MatTrader doesn't allow you to actually customize the colors of these candles, so you are stuck with red and green. That's just how it is, but in a way it's kind of good that you don't get caught up with customizing all the time. You're just stuck with this. So once you log on with your credentials from whichever one, as you can see I'm from MyFundedFX, then what you can see here is the spread, change, price, all of these good things. But when you start, there'll be a lot of symbols right here. So automatically what you want to do first is keep your watch list very short and whatever you trade. So you go to all symbols, then whatever you trade, crypto, forex, whatever, you just star the ones you want to favor and unstar the ones you don't want. So in my favorites, I only trade Euro USD. So in my favorites tab, that is all that is visible, and it keeps it very clean and minimalistic, which is good. Now that's the watch list area out of the way. You can expand this, things like that. You can even shut it off. So now it's very clean. You know what you're trading, nothing else, no distractions. Then above here we have our balance, equity, all the things around the account. Then below we have open positions, all of these pending orders, which I'll show you later in the video how to actually put orders in, etc. Then we have this actual chart. So let's get to the chart first. So we have time frames right here. Pretty simple, not that much customization, as I told you. So these are the only time frames which you can switch between. You have the M1, M5, so you can do all of that. It looks like we're having high impact news right now. So what's the time? 3 o'clock. There must be news. So yeah, high impact news. Then candles, you can change your chart type to candles or line chart. So line charts sometimes help you with swing structure. They help me sometimes with marking out my swing lows, swing highs, but most of the time I like line charts. Then we have this, which is a really nice feature. If you use TradingView, you know you can actually switch time frames into different chart layouts. So let's say I want a 15-minute time frame on the left and a 1-minute time frame on the right, just to see my analysis, see if yes, the 1 minute showing a break of structure, but is the 15-minute showing a rejection wick. Then all you do is do this 2 symbol, click the ones you want to change. So I want to change this one, so I've clicked it. It's got this white box around it. Then I go to my time frames, 15 minutes, so 15, click this one, and H1, the 1 hour time frame, 1 minute, 5 minute, whatever. So now I can compare what's going on each time frame, and obviously you can play around with this. You can also do a layout such as this, where you can have maybe a daily time frame here, then a 15-minute and a 1 minute time frame. But you get the point of what I'm trying to say. And to get back, you just click this first one and you're back to where you started. So that is time frames. Then this is pretty much to zoom in, zoom out of your charts like that. You can also use the toggle on your mouse to do that too. So if I just do this, you can do all of that stuff too. So yeah, if you're in a trade and you don't know what to do, then yeah, feel free, just keep doing this. Then we have the crosshair, so we can see the open, high, low, close for each of these candlesticks. So let's say I want to go to this candlestick right here. I hover over it and it shows me underneath right there the timing as well, all that good stuff, and also the open price, high, low, close, and all that. So just highlight over and you can see all of those good things. Then let me zoom out. Then we have this, we have our vertical lines, all of our drawing tools, horizontal line, trend line, Fibonacci, something like this. So if you use that, you can play around with it, change the colors, change the thickness and everything like that. So overall, it's like pretty minimalistic in my opinion compared to MetaTrader 5, which was getting very vintage in my opinion. So there is positives to that. Then we have our indicator section, so MACD, RSI, EMAs, all of that good things. Find whichever one you want and add it. Then we have our settings, so you can display a grid. So as you can see below or behind, there's this grid checker thing, but it's kind of a distraction to me, so I just take it off. And then this is, I'm not sure what this does, but there's that too. So pretty much that's it. You can also expand the chart if you want to do some analysis on it, and then just escape to get back. Now in terms of pending orders and limit orders, all we have to do is go here, click that. So this opens up, and then you can either buy or sell just like that, or you could go new order. So if it's a market order, you can put your volume in and you can put your stop loss in. So all you have to do is click the plus button, and then this stop loss line comes here. Then feel free, since there's a buy limit, feel free to move it wherever below you want to put your stop loss, and it also shows you the value you'll be losing and the percent that you'll be losing off the account. Then we have pending orders. So again, put your lot size in, and there's some very nice calculators on Google, lot size calculators, my FX book calculators. So that does most of the work for you. I use my FX book. And then, so if I want to do a limit order, a pending order, and I want to buy the market clearly since it's going up, then I can put a pending maybe here, halfway. My stop loss will be down here, and I can add a take profit to a certain value, but that's usually at the end, so we can forget the take profit for now. Then we have, again, how much percent you're going to be losing, the value of it, and also the price of the stop loss. So if I just have a 0.01 trade size, buy limit, pending order, then I could place that, and then it would show my pending orders right here. I'm a bit wary there might be major news, so if I place an order, it might count as an account breach, so I don't want to do that right now. But you can do a buy limit, and pending orders will show here, and your open positions will show here, and there'll be a cross right around here. So if you want to close your positions, you just click the cross and you are out of the trade. As simple as that. So coming into my final thoughts, what do I think about MatTrader? Honestly, I think it's a good step in the right direction, and it's a very clean interface. I like that 100%. I do like the clean interface, much cleaner than MetaTrader 5. One thing which I wish there is a way, or maybe there is to add a trade position calculator like MetaTrader 5 has, where I just need to put my pending order, stop loss, and take profit. It calculates everything for me automatically, whereas in this I would have to get my lot size manually and then add in all the details, all of that stuff, which can take a bit of time, but I guess with the trade copier it makes everything simple. So overall, I like it and I'm excited to use it. I'll give you more views on this. If you want any more reviews of DXTrade, CTrader, let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions about this in particular, comments below. I'm very active, I will answer you. No, don't worry about that. And as usual, that's the end of the video. Hope you got value out of it. Hope you understood how to use MatTrader, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading and stay safe.